Welcome back to my channel MYCY2. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I actually make my thumbnails for YouTube. It's actually really simple. Anyone can do this. Even though, especially me, and I'm not even good at like sketching out things like that. So the thing I actually use is Pixlr E. So what you do, you just search up Pixlr.com and then they usually like come out like this. There's actually like a simpler one, which I haven't used that much, because I usually use Advanced Pixlr E, because there's actually more functions in there. So what I do is go to Advanced Pixlr E, go to Create New, and then there's actually like many types. Like you can do it for YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and many others. So what I usually click on is Web 720p, which has a width of 1280 and a height of 720. I usually use a white background, but you can actually change the colors with the bar below, or you can choose with no background. Actually, let's start with no background because I want to show you another thing. So what I usually do is I actually start with my no background, and then there's this plus sign over here where you can choose to either just add an empty layer, image, or a text. So I'll show you the image first. I'm gonna click on image, and then usually you're wondering, oh, but how do you actually like put your face? Well, you actually take a photo using the camera, store into your laptop. I usually take it from my camera, and yeah, these are all the photos I've done for my YouTube channel. So what I usually do is try to get the chair out of the way, like as much as possible. Like if you just want your face, just try to move everything out as much as possible. But my room's actually kind of small, so I try to move it as out as possible. So what you'll usually do is go to the cutout tool, and then there's this button over here which says AI Auto. You click on AI Auto and the machines will actually like try to just cut out your face. You usually need to wait about like 10 seconds or so just for it to load up. But 10 seconds is a long time. And if you can't wait for 10 seconds, then you can buy the premium here. I don't buy the premium, by the way. Then you click on continue, and voila, everything's cut out. So then you would save this document like thing, because I want to show you guys like this outline thing of how I actually make it. Then you go to home, create new, and then this time we're going to use the white background, which I use on lots of mine. Sometimes I use images, which you can just search it from the web, copy the image and paste it inside. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the white background. So what you do is turn on background, leave it on white, and click create. Then, as you know, the photo I just taken, I usually like it on like, I don't know, not 100, about like 50-60%. So I can actually like see everything closer. So what I can actually do is go to my downloads, it's named Untitled, or you can click the plus, go to image, and then just now you had a non-background, so when you paste it in, there'll be no background at the back. You click open, and there you go. So what I usually do is I actually like drag it as small as possible, just to put myself in the bottom left. Then I would go to edit and stroke. Now, because I currently have a white background, I would usually use like the black line around the outside. So, like that. So actually like just put an outline around you. It may cut off like a little bit sometimes, but it should be fine. It doesn't make a difference. Like you can put on a 150 if you want to, but that doesn't look good. You can put on 1, but you'll never show. So I usually like keep it on like, so my suggestions about like 5 to 10, 15 is also fine. Only if you like a thick outline. Now opacity actually like changes, like if you would like white like that, or maybe if you like gray, but I like it totally black. And there's also this outline only button where you only show like the outline, so they like just remove the whole thing and they only show the outline. Well, it depends. Then I'll click apply. Then I usually write like the title of, like you can write something shorter if you want. So I'm gonna write MYCY teaches how to make thumbnail. No way. How to make thumbnails for YouTube. Just like that. By the way, this is for this video if you're wondering. Then I'll usually just like, put it here. And then sometimes I add like some extra words in different colors. So maybe I would like another one. Maybe I'll like it in blue this time or something. Light blue, and I'll say simple. Actually, let's change it to dark blue because it's way too bright. So we put on simple. And you can actually change the size up here. So I'll put down 125. Maybe I want a different angle, or maybe I want it like bold this time, or maybe I want them all uppercase, or maybe italic. Simple. And then maybe I would like a different color this time, like maybe orange. And I may just want to go easy. Maybe I just want the italic case. Simple, easy. Like maybe sometimes you want the same angle, and then maybe you may want this one like purple or something. Fast. Put on bold. Fast. And then maybe sometimes you want one bigger, like maybe you want like a white one out here, but then you want like an outline or something. So you just click on outline, do that. Free. Usually when you type it will show it, but then you can actually see it here. Like maybe there's an outline color. Like you go, oh, I want it like that. Or maybe you would like a shadow instead. Like you can actually see a little bit of shadow. It's not actually not that strong. Like maybe you could change the color if you want to. Maybe, or maybe just like make it blurrier, or opacity more, just like that. And there's also a background where like it's like kind of highlighted for you. But let's keep like that. Simple, easy, fast, free. And maybe one more word like let's go with attractive. Maybe I want it black this time. And then maybe I would like, I don't know. Actually, let's add like a simple outline on that. No, not an outline, a shadow. So like a high blur, maybe low vertical, high horizontal, high opacity. Actually, no, let's turn off the shadows, not that good. Attractive. And then maybe like a red background or something. A little bit of shadow. Just to like maybe cut it off a little bit, or an outline. And then maybe I'll like a bold and italic. And then afterwards you just click save. Then later you just go to a YT studio, and then from there you just go to the video, click edit. Then afterwards, I'm just not about to show this bit by the way. You go to edit, then you go to customize thumbnail. Sometimes you need to verify if you haven't, so make sure you click that verify button to actually call your phone or something. Give you a 6-digit code. All you have to do is type it down. And then afterwards, you can just upload your thumbnail there. Yeah, simple as that. So, thank you for watching this video. make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. Also leave a comment down below if you want to know like what else should I like show you guys what I do. Yeah. And I'll see you next time. Bye.